Good morning, everyone. So today we're going to do the math lesson for the primary packet for April 15th. And you can see I have a lot going on my screen here. It looks a little bit different than usual. That is because they, on the Unique Learning System, they changed the curriculum to April and May, which makes sense because it is April 15th. But I just misunderstood the dates when they said it would no longer be available after April 15th. I thought that meant I could still use it today. And the activities that we sent home were from March's curriculum. So those sheets are not available for me to show you online. So I printed them so that I can do the same activity that you're doing and show you that. But I also did an activity on Google Slides so you can see kind of similarly how it works on the computer screen as well. Okay, so if you'd like, you can always watch the BrainPop Junior Math video on patterns. And parents, if you go to BrainPop Junior and log in using, let me think, it's Wayne MCE is the username, and then POP, P-O-P is the password. If that doesn't work, let me know. It's one of those things that, you've saved it on your computer, and so you just click log in and hit it. But I'm pretty sure it's Wayne MCE, all lowercase, and then P-O-P is the password. And you guys can watch the BrainPop Junior video on patterns. That's a really good one to kind of get your mind ready to think about how to complete patterns. And that's what this activity is. So if we switch over, I can show you. This is what your sheet looks like. And it's listed as 12. And you have some pictures. You have 3 items. And then you have these to cut out so that you can complete the missing square to complete the pattern. So if you have not done so, pause the video and cut out the squares. Or if you don't want to cut them all out, you can just cut out the one that you need if you want to look at the pattern. So I'll show you mine. You can see it. I went ahead and cut off all of the squares at the bottom and cut them out. So I was ready to go. Okay, and you'll see, let's switch over here. Hopefully this is, it worked. Okay, so patterns. This is what we have on our paper. We have some handheld bells, because remember we've been talking about things that we see and things that we hear, and so this one is instruments. So some handheld bells, that's the first item. Rhythm sticks is the second item. And then handheld bells is the third item again. So this is an A-B pattern. It repeats A-B, A-B, A-B. If I was going to do this pattern with objects, I grabbed some things from my daughter's little stash of toys that she still has. You could do something like, well, let's see. So she has a bear and a dog. So we'll just say a girly stuffed animal and a dog. And then we'd go to a girly stuffed animal and a dog. One right after the other. And then the next would be what? You're right. That's correct. A kind of girly stuffed animal. Or if we wanted to use, let's see if we have enough of these. Cars and trucks. So if we started out with a car, and then we went to a truck, what would come next? You're right, we would add a car, and then what would come after car? Car, truck, truck. And then next after that would come a, put them down, car. Great. So in this pattern that you are completing, bells, rhythm sticks, bells, you have as your choices see that? More bells, a triangle, rhythm sticks, and a shaker egg, like a maraca egg. So bells, rhythm stick, bells. What comes next? You are correct. We need to copy this picture and put it right here. There we go. And go back to present. And we've completed our pattern. Bells, rhythm sticks, bells, rhythm sticks. A, B, A, B. Nice job. So I'm going to get my glue. And I'm going to glue rhythm sticks onto the top, onto my paper. And then I'm going to take some time and I'm going to write my name on the top, because it's always great to practice writing your name if you have the ability. Then I'm going to get out my phone somewhere. Oh, it's charging in the other room. And I'm going to snap a picture, and I'll have that as a record of how I did my work today. So you can have your parents do that and send it to me either on my cell phone, by text, or email, or through Parent Square. I hope you enjoyed patterning with me today. Join me again tomorrow for the math activity where we will complete a different type of pattern. Bye.